Alright, YouTube, this is the right angle impact that is not for sale any longer. I don't know why. It is $100, 2 batteries and a charger. It is weak, a little weaker than the M12. But for $100, it might surprise you what it can do when you need something like this. And for $100, you're not really losing out on much, I think. The other issue is I don't really see any point in posting these kinds of videos anymore to show you how weak it is, because people really do not support this channel. This has been going on like for 11 years since I've been posting. I think people support the tool but not the channel. So especially past 3 years, it's really been like that. What can I say? It's unfortunate because it's a lot of work to make these videos, and they're only made for YouTube. And I can tell you on one hand how many people really support this channel. The likes aren't there, the revenue's there, not there, and the views are certainly not there. And there's never been any support from like manufacturers. I can tell you Ingersoll Rand asked to use my clips in their video, in their social media. That's a 20 million view video, and they asked, and I said sure, go ahead. Afterwards I said, after they used it, I said, can I get like a free tool or something like that? And not only did they not reply, they saw the message and didn't reply after they used the clips, right? So it's been really tough. But I think it might be just best, just because I like making videos, might be best just to do like lug nut videos. Like the impact takes off a lug nut, I say it's good, and then whatever, right? People like to get some views. It's easy to do, and I don't have to feel like I'm doing it for nothing. So that, or like what's it called, lag bolts, go back to the lag bolts, because I have a $5,000 Skidmore sitting here. People don't appreciate that I have that, so they don't want to see it. So there's no real point in using that. If anyone wants to buy it, they can buy it. So let's see.